The Payment Types page lists every payment method your cashiers can pick at checkout. Without anything configured here, the POS register only accepts cash. Click Payment Types under Catalog in the sidebar to open the list. Each row shows the payment method name, its category badge, and edit and delete actions. Click Add Payment Type to register a new method. Type the name cashiers will see at checkout. Keep it short and specific, especially when you have more than one account per category. Open the category dropdown and pick one of Cash, Card, Gcash, Maya, or Other. The category controls the icon shown on the register and how reports group the totals. Picking Maya reveals a webhook URL. Paste it into Maya Business Manager, and every QR payment auto-marks the order as paid. No cashier tap needed. Heads up, managing payment types requires the Manage Items permission. Owners have it by default. Assign it to other roles in Roles and Permissions.